A rubber mallet is a very handy tool when you're assembling a woodworking project where you just don't want to damage the surface.
Rubber mallets are also great for furniture repair projects where you have to tap parts apart, or if you're putting down any type of glue down flooring, you can hammer it down without damaging it. A problem though with a black mallet like this is it leaves behind black marks. And then you have to come back and sand it out, and that's no fun. So one way to prevent that from happening is take an old cotton sock, preferably a nice thick gym sock like this, and simply slip it over the head of the mallet. Now it's fully covered and protected, and you can hammer away and not leave behind any marks.
So that's why you're always wearing just one sock.
That's it. That's the reason. Now, if you don't have a rubber mallet, or you don't care to go out and buy one, you can get a similar effect by just using a simple nail hammer. But you have to protect the steel head because you don't want to damage the workpiece. So go to the hardware store and pick up a rubber tip like this that's made for a chair leg, and simply slip it over the head of the hammer. Now this is a 1-inch size, will fit most hammer heads, and then tap it down until it's fully seated, and now you can hammer away and not leave behind any marks.
Well, that's a great tip, but just remember, make sure when you're buying the chair tip that you're buying a white one, not a black one.